What do you do, baby?
I didn't say hi, guys. I'm at Viola's room right now. Jesus Christ. I can't show her beautiful peach because YouTube is very strict about that. If you're not probably in the pool or like beach. So anyway, today is a Friday and we are going to we're going to eat. We're going to this cute place, like Instagrammable place in I'm not gonna say the place because just for security purposes. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to check this place out. It's like a donut place and we needed some donuts. She's on her period. She's really hungry, like hungry. So yeah, we're gonna check this donut place out. It's like far from her house. It's like 45-minute drive, but we're going there anyways because we are going to check the thrift shop later and also to the mall so I can find a gift of my wonderful husband. So because it's his birthday next week. So yeah, and the outfit that I'm wearing today, where did I bought this? Never mind, I forgot. I'm probably gonna put it in the description box if I remember. And I'm wearing the mom jeans right here and this kicks. That's my outfit actually. Yeah, hold up. Yeah, so this is my fit right there. So, and that's her fit.
I'm not sure if I'm wearing it.
Yeah, she's very indecisive. Right there, look at her natural hair. Ooh, la la. Ooh, okay. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. And we're gonna take a lot of pictures today because we're looking all cute, whatnot. Like here. Ooh. What? Anyway, wait. I will catch up you guys later. Alligator. All right, here's the fit. Mom jeans with Nike Air Force, and this is the top. That's the top. So there you go.
Maybe this is more for a white.
We literally took like probably like 1,000 of pictures and we still have to pick which is the perfect one, like out of all 1,000 pictures. So we're headed now. We're just now leaving. So here's the car.
My stomach.
Look at the lighting here. Oh god, it's hot. Help me. Help us. AC. I look like it's hot, you guys. It's 75 degrees, but it doesn't feel like 75 degrees at all.
It's so fucking hot.
It's so hot. I'm like sweating. So we're on our way now, and I'll talk to you guys later. Here, that's the Bdoughnut.
Here, biatch.
Are you ready? Oh my god, you can't. Okay, witch. What's wrong with your head? Here we at the donut place. Don't be shy. Okay, here goes the owner. Wait, the owner or?
I'm the manager.
Oh, the manager is here. So he's basically explaining. Okay, so this is chocolate. This is good. Is it ubi?
You bet, yes.
Ubi. Oh my god, I love ubi.
I have no idea.
I'm gonna get one of ubi, and then I wanna take all of them.
All of them?
Like they're so yummy. Alright, I'm gonna try one ubi first, and then what do you want? So cute, you guys. If you're from Maryland, you guys should visit here.
Right, you have an IG wall over in that corner.
Really? Oh, Viola, this is what I told you. Look.
So excited. Oh, that's nice. We're gonna take a picture.
So you guys should visit here if you're from Maryland or something. Do you guys have any other locations?
So as of the moment, we have
Purple yam, come here.
I already ate mine.
Running on that one, that is all that they can.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So there's like a maximum.
It's so good, Viola.
Exactly.
It matches your nails. I'm telling you, it is so good. Oh my god, look at it.
Bitch, this is good.
We ate dessert first. We didn't eat breakfast. We ate lunch.
This is our breakfast.
Yeah, this is our brunch. This is so good, you guys. And look at the thing. We're like the only people here except for that lady.
Do I have my lipstick everywhere on my face?
No. Oh my god, it's so good. Like, I'm gonna cry. That's how good this
Heaven.
donut is. And her drink is mint lavender.
Honey lavender.
Honey lavender, which is really good. This one, I mean, they have like the, you know, like the basic cups, but like their drink is so good. Oh my god, guys, you should visit this place.
A few moments later.
All right, we're here at H&M. Music is so loud. I really like this, but they're only small. Like my body could never. Look at this little
Your
details.
boobs can rock it.
Yeah, but like
Your boobs can.
I really like it. They're like $17 though. And this is, ooh.
I like this yellow.
Okay, where is that bodysuit? I gotta.
Transition time. You can look for summer stuff anymore.
I know, that's sad.
Winter. So what the fuck am I supposed to wear? Trash bag. Ooh.
Oh, this is cute too. Oh, I wanna get one of these. I'm hoping they have my size 6. That's 2. Let's hold on. Let me try to find what.
Alexandra got when we came all together.
Oh, oh yeah, Ali. Yeah, Ali could rock those. First fit. So this top is $17 and this plaid pants is also $17. So I don't know if I want to get these or I want to get this brown thing. I'm gonna try that too. But this is it. Kind of like a fall vibe. Here, what do you think? Second pants. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like the pants.
Ooh, baby. Baby the game.
Okay. 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 I got it. We just got a birthday gift for my husband. So we're going upstairs now. Oh yeah, the upstairs is
We're going upstairs?
Shut up. Dumb
My
bitch.
mom, she wanted to go on the one that goes to my husband. And she was like, why is this thing not going?
Quiet.
No cap. Ooh, mama.
It's so hot. That mall is so boring.
I look like my mom.
You are your mom. Your mom.
I am my own mom.
Yes, you are your own mom.
Create myself.
Yes. Anyway, it's so hot. I don't even know. We don't even know where to go because I don't want to, at this point, I don't want to go to thrift shopping wearing these jeans. It's so hot.
I'm melting. Bitch.
Like, I'm melting. Look at our coffee. Well, it's still ice actually.
Is it? Oh, mine is very melted.
You're still good. I want a TJ Maxx because we don't have TJ Maxx.
Where's TJ Maxx?
It's somewhere here.
Alright, I'm down.
You want to eat first? We're gonna go to Bonchon. I want you to try Bonchon. They're
I have
really
no
good.
idea what it is, but okay.
So it's like they have chicken. They're like really known for their chicken. Like they're really good. So yeah, we're going. We're going to Bonchon. God damn it. Hey guys, so we're here at Bonchon and we're really both hungry. We're both hungry. And I want her to try this chickens that they have here. They're like actually good. Those fries looks good. Ooh, wings looks good. Drumstick too. Let's see. So we just ordered and we're both hungry.
Ooh,
Feed me, mama.
you feed me, mama.
Feed me, darling. Yes, and then the TJ Maxx is somewhere here, somewhere there. Yeah, so maybe we're gonna, oh, later, like I'm just gonna go to the Target near your place and get the frother and the mocha.
Oh yeah.
Because they're on sale, you guys. Remember, she gave me the espresso coffee and I needed a mocha for that one because espresso coffee in Italian, like they need like a special, like it's not like your regular coffee.
It's a mocha.
Yeah, it's mocha. I'll put a screen here. I thought it was
my
like
face.
No, not in here in the middle, but anyway. Oh jeez, this guys. But you guys, if you are from Maryland, you guys have to check out the Bdoughnut. They're freaking good. Like they're really good. Like the ube melts in my mouth. But I haven't tried a vanilla. But her drink, the drink that she got was honey lavender. It's so freaking good, and it's iced honey lavender. And mine, I got the caramel mocha, which is good. It's just like a strong one, but they're bomb. And we took a lot of pictures. We took like a lot. I feel like it's because
My
it's
gallery
it's just the two of us over there. Like there's nobody over there, and I mean there's like a couple people who go there, but like fuck it, like do it for the gram. Like here's the sneak peek of the pictures. I mean, wow. Wait, focus.
Oh, my favorite one. We gotta show that one.
Okay. Oh, look at that. See, it's very like Instagrammable like place if you wanna try that out. Oh, beach! Who took a picture of that? Oh my god! Here's our food. We got chicken and fried rice without red bell pepper because she can't handle spicy,
Even if
but
I'm
she
the
can
spicy.
handle me. I'm just kidding. Yeah, we're gonna eat now. Who will handle
Look,
me?
is it better?
Oh
with
my god,
or without?
with it's like lighter. I like it.
Bam.
I like it. She's editing her picture, revenge picture actually. If you don't know, she's single now, ready to mingle.
Hit me up.
God dang. Baby girl.
Baby girl.
Baby girl. Oh, look, they're strong.
Here. Here. See if we didn't need chopsticks.
Oh yeah, that's good. Making my way downtown. Look at these wings. Bitch is good. Fried rice. Bulgogi. Actually, bulgogi fried rice. Bulgogi is a beef. Is it good, huh?
Boys.
Careless.
Yeah, boy. This is good.
It's good.
Play the chicken with my ends.
Yeah, go ahead. Bilat mo muna. That's what I'm gonna do. They're just kind of sticky. This is good. They're hot. Hey guys, so we literally just got back. I'm still here at Villa's house, and we stopped by at the gas station before, and then we're finally here. It's like 5 something o'clock, and I think we're still trying to go to Target later on because I'm gonna purchase that milk frother and mocha. I don't know if I want to purchase it today or next week. And I got my husband a gift, and I already got him like a card, like birthday greeting card. And then, oh, by the way, I changed my top into this, like, supposed to be a swimsuit, but I can still use it as a crop toppy thing, like top. But anyways, yeah, we're really tired because the location of the donut place is like 45 minutes from her house. But if, you know, from my house, because I had to pick her up, but if we're living like from my house, it's like 30-minute drive. So yeah, we're really exhausted because it's so hot outside. I thought it was gonna be cool, like 70 something, but it was like 80 something degrees outside, and I'm wearing a mom jeans. Like my butt cheeks is sweating like this. So, and you guys don't want to know that, but I also got her some gifts. I mean, not gifts, but I do order this face mask at Amazon, and I'm giving her some of the face masks. And I'm also giving her this gum glow thing because I don't know, I'm just not liking it. Maybe she can appreciate it because she has normal to dry skin and I have oily skin, and I'm used to the clean and clear, like the from the like the orange one and also the blue one. So yeah, and then yeah, that's it. And let's see, oh, I got the white top at H&M. I also, what else did I purchase? I did purchase some like sandal yesterday night at Target, and then I'm gonna show that to you later on. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show that to you guys later though. But yeah, the hoops is from Forever 21. Yeah, it's really cute. And then the lashes is very dramatic. It's, the name of it is Jean, I believe. Yeah, it's Jean. That's how dramatic. And the foundation that I use today is Tarte. I mix it with the Physicians too. Like the Tarte is in like right here, and then the Physicians Formula foundation is somewhere in between here. And then the concealer that I use today as well is the Too Faced and also the KKW. And the lipstick is Amazonian from Maybelline.
Tomorrow.
And I'm gonna show you what I got at H&M. Hold on, let me just grab it. So I just got one bodysuit over there, as you guys seen it. I already tried it on, and then I got the gift from my husband, which is I'm not gonna show because he watches my vlog. Babe, you're not about to watch that. But anyway, so this is the bodysuit, white bodysuit look like, and I've been wanting to buy a bodysuit like white because you can actually match it with everything, like black and white bodysuit, like you can like mix and match it. So yeah, and it has this like very cute detail, this circle detail. I don't know what's the name of it, but it's like brown, and this is $17. It's kind of expensive, but I've been wanting to buy a bodysuit. So yeah, it's I got the size large because they don't have medium. This is kind of big for me, but it's gonna work anyways. So yeah, this is how it looks like right there, and that's what I got from H&M. Anyway guys, I look really busted, but I gotta rearrange my closet because it's almost, well, it's fall season and winter time is coming too. We're gonna enjoy the fall first, we're not gonna talk about winter. So yeah, I'm gonna like rearrange my summer clothes. I'm gonna put it in the storage so I have like room for like sweaters and like coats and jacket for, you know, fall. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. And then later on, my husband and I are going somewhere, I don't know yet, but he said we're going out today. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to hurry up and clean this, and yeah, I will talk to you guys on my next vlog. I'm just gonna end this vlog right here, but if I want to vlog later on, I'm just gonna do that separately. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon in my next vlog. Bye.